Imagine this. You're driving home after a long day. The sun is setting, and you're just a few miles away from the comfort of your home. Suddenly, out of nowhere, another car crashes into you. In an instant, your world changes. Pain, confusion, and the overwhelming thought, what now? For many, this scenario is all too familiar. Traffic accidents happen every day, often without warning. And when they do, it's not just the physical injuries that you have to deal with, it's the emotional and financial chaos that follows. But here's the truth. You don't have to go through it alone. You don't have to navigate the maze of insurance claims, medical bills, and legal battles without help. Meet John, a 32-year-old marketing manager on his usual commute home. He was just minding his business when a distracted driver rear-ended him at high speed. In a matter of seconds, John went from a regular day to an overwhelming ordeal. He was rushed to the hospital with neck injuries, but the pain was only just beginning. The physical injuries were just the tip of the iceberg. The real challenge started when John began facing the insurance companies. The phone calls, the constant back and forth, the frustration of not being heard, and worse yet, the looming threat of unpaid medical bills that began to pile up faster than he could manage. John was losing hope. He felt alone, isolated, and as though the world was moving forward while he remained stuck. That's when he reached out to a local traffic accident lawyer. Little did he know that single decision would change everything. His lawyer, Sarah, was not just a legal expert. She was a compassionate advocate who understood his struggle. From the very first consultation, Sarah explained his rights in clear, simple terms. She helped John understand that he didn't have to settle for the lowball offers the insurance company was pushing his way. More importantly, she was there, humanizing the process, ensuring he didn't feel like just another case number. Sarah's expertise in traffic accident law and her relentless pursuit of justice led to an outcome John couldn't have imagined. She secured him the compensation he deserved, covering medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Things that John had almost given up on. With her help, John's life began to return to normal. What Sarah did for John was more than just legal representation. It was a lifeline, a reminder that even in the most difficult times, someone is there to stand by you, to fight for you, and to make sure you get the justice you deserve. The truth is, when you're in the midst of a traffic accident, you can feel like you're drowning in a sea of confusion and uncertainty. The road ahead seems unclear, and the emotional burden of dealing with the aftermath is overwhelming. But there's a solution. A traffic accident lawyer, especially one close to you, can be the difference between suffering in silence and getting the help you need to move forward. Whether it's dealing with insurance companies, negotiating settlements, or fighting in court, a skilled lawyer does more than just handle the legalities. They provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your case is in good hands. They listen, understand, and advocate for your well-being every step of the way. So if you've been in an accident, don't wait. Reach out to a local traffic accident lawyer today. You deserve someone who will stand by you, protect your rights, and fight for the compensation you deserve. Your recovery, both physically and financially, starts with the right legal support. Remember, you don't have to face this alone. Let a lawyer help guide you through the storm, just like Sarah helped John. Because in the end, your story deserves to be heard, and justice deserves to be served. Stop. If you've recently been involved in a traffic accident, it's crucial to listen to this message. You need a traffic accident lawyer near you, and you need one now. Your future, health, and financial security may depend on it. In this video, We'll walk you through why securing the right legal representation is your first and most important step towards recovery. Don't wait any longer. Stay tuned. Accidents happen in the blink of an eye. One moment you're on your way to your destination, and the next you're grappling with the consequences of an unexpected collision. The emotional and physical toll can leave you in shock, unsure of what steps to take next. Why? After an accident, the road ahead can feel as daunting as the crash itself. Insurance companies, medical bills, and legal paperwork can overwhelm even the calmest individuals. This is where a traffic accident lawyer steps in to navigate the complex legal landscape for you. Why is hiring a traffic accident lawyer so critical? The truth is, without legal representation, you may face hurdles that could compromise your ability to recover fair compensation for your injuries, damages, and lost wages. A lawyer ensures that your rights are protected. As a victim of a traffic accident, you have rights that must be upheld. Your lawyer's job is to make sure that those rights are respected, ensuring that you don't get lost in the legal system or taken advantage of by big corporations or insurance companies. Time is of the essence when it comes to personal injury cases. The longer you wait to consult a lawyer, the more difficult it becomes to gather critical evidence and preserve vital information. With every passing day, memories fade and physical evidence deteriorates. When choosing a lawyer, proximity matters. A local lawyer has an intimate knowledge of your area's laws, courts, and insurance companies. Their familiarity with the local legal landscape gives you a distinct advantage over hiring someone who doesn't operate in your region. Working with a lawyer nearby also means they are accessible when you need them the most. You don't have to deal with long-distance communication or wait days for responses. Your lawyer is right there, ready to support you throughout the entire process. Not all lawyers are created equal, and the importance of hiring a lawyer with specialized experience in traffic accidents cannot be overstated. Traffic accident lawyers are not just legal professionals. They are problem solvers who understand the unique challenges that come with vehicle-related injuries. One of the primary reasons to hire a traffic accident lawyer is their ability to secure the maximum compensation for you. They will evaluate every aspect of your case: injuries, property damage, lost wages, emotional distress, and more, to ensure that you get what you deserve. Insurance companies are in the business of paying out as little as possible. They may try to settle quickly with an offer that seems attractive, but is far below what you're entitled to. Your lawyer ensures that you're not fooled by these lowball offers. Accidents often lead to significant medical bills that can pile up quickly. A lawyer will negotiate with medical providers and insurance companies, ensuring that your medical expenses are covered without adding unnecessary stress to your life. Above all, a lawyer protects your best interests. Whether you're negotiating with an insurance company or preparing for trial, your lawyer is your advocate, ensuring that the entire process works in your favor. Many cases settle outside of court, but some do require litigation. Your lawyer will help you understand whether it's in your best interest to settle or go to court, and they'll prepare you for whatever decision is made. Effective communication is essential throughout the legal process. A qualified lawyer will keep you informed every step of the way, ensuring that you're never left in the dark about your case's status. To build a strong case, your lawyer will collect crucial evidence, from police reports and witness statements to traffic camera footage and medical records. This evidence will play a pivotal role in establishing liability and securing the compensation you deserve. Eyewitnesses can be invaluable in proving your version of events. A good traffic accident lawyer will know how to gather witness statements that are credible and support your claim. Sometimes expert testimony is necessary, whether it's a medical expert discussing the severity of your injuries or an accident reconstruction expert explaining how the crash occurred. Your lawyer will coordinate with the right professionals to strengthen your case. Negotiating with insurance companies and other parties involved can be tricky. A skilled lawyer knows how to advocate for you during negotiations, ensuring that you're not pressured into a settlement that's less than you deserve. When you have the right lawyer on your side, you can rest easy knowing that your case is in capable hands. Confidence in your legal representation translates to less stress and a more focused approach to your recovery. Many people hesitate to hire a lawyer due to concerns about cost. However, most traffic accident lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, meaning you don't pay unless you win. This makes it affordable and accessible to everyone who needs legal assistance. Having a lawyer nearby provides peace of mind during one of the most stressful times of your life. You don't have to worry about dealing with the insurance company, paperwork, or whether you're making the right legal decisions. Your lawyer doesn't just look at the immediate aftermath of your accident. They take into account your long-term health. This includes chronic injuries, rehabilitation, and potential future medical needs that can affect your quality of life. A traffic accident doesn't just impact you. It affects your family, your work, and your personal life. A lawyer understands these ripple effects and will fight for compensation that covers all aspects of your life, including the impact on your loved ones. Your case goes to trial. Your lawyer will thoroughly prepare you. They'll help you understand the legal process, what to expect in court, and how to present your case effectively. They will stand by you every step of the way. Don't just take our word for it. Many satisfied clients have experienced the difference a dedicated traffic accident lawyer can make. Their stories serve as a testament to the effectiveness of having the right representation. A great lawyer builds a personal connection with their clients. They genuinely care about your well-being and fight tirelessly to ensure that you get the justice and compensation you deserve. Most lawyers offer free initial consultations, giving you the opportunity to discuss your case without any financial obligation. During this meeting, you'll learn how your lawyer plans to approach your case and the potential outcomes. Finding the right traffic accident lawyer near you is easy. You can start by searching online, asking for recommendations from friends or family, or reaching out to local bar associations for referrals. During your first meeting with a traffic accident lawyer, expect them to ask questions about the details of the accident, your injuries, and your overall health. Be prepared to provide any relevant documents or evidence to help them assess your case. A traffic accident lawyer will work diligently to ensure that your case is heard fairly in court. They will present the evidence, cross-examine witnesses, and argue your case with precision and care. There are many common mistakes that accident victims make: accepting early settlement offers, failing to document injuries properly, or speaking to insurance adjusters without legal representation. Your lawyer will help you avoid these pitfalls. In conclusion, if you've been involved in a traffic accident, remember, you need a traffic accident lawyer near you now. Time is of the essence, and the sooner you secure legal representation, the better your chances of achieving a favorable outcome. Don't hesitate. Reach out to a trusted local traffic accident lawyer today. They'll guide you through every step of the process, protect your rights, and fight for the compensation you deserve. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. And remember, in the aftermath of a traffic accident, Securing the right lawyer is your first step towards a brighter, stress-free future.